Okay, so this is science for this week. We start a new packet this week, and this is probably going to be near the bottom of your pile. It says my booklet about sound and hearing. So here you write your name. Here you draw and color a picture of your favorite thing to hear. Maybe it's music, maybe it's nature sounds, but go ahead and write your name and draw and color a picture of your favorite thing to hear. And you can pause at each point of the video if you need to take a moment to write things down. So then you turn the page, and for Monday, we are doing 10.1, and it says senses and sound energy. And it says, I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made, Psalm 139:14a. God gave you senses to help you observe all the things around you. Write the word seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, or tasting to describe each sense. So you look at this picture here. She has earbuds in. Is she seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, or tasting? Once you figure it out, you write it there. If you wrote hearing, you are correct. Here we see this kid licking a lollipop. Is he seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, or tasting? Write it here on the line. If you wrote tasting, you're correct. Then here, they are looking at a book together. So here you write seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, or tasting. If you wrote seeing, you are correct. This person is probably blind, and blind people use what's called Braille to help them read since they cannot see with their eyes. So this person is using this Braille to figure out how to read. So they're using their fingertips. Are they seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, or tasting? And if you wrote touching, you are correct. Here, she has a flower in her hand, and she's using her nose. So right here, seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, or tasting. And if you wrote smelling, you are correct. And we'll turn the page. So your page looks like this. And it says one of your senses is hearing. You hear because sound is a kind of energy. Sound energy moves in waves. When you strum a guitar, the strings vibrate. They have energy. Energy makes the air molecules around the strings vibrate. Vibrations start sound waves. Sound waves travel to your ears. Then you hear the sound. So you circle the part of each instrument that vibrates. So first we're going to look here, and you circle which part of this vibrates. Circle here which part vibrates. Circle here which part vibrates. And circle here which part of this instrument vibrates. So I'll give you a second to circle it. Okay, so here on this instrument, the strings vibrate. Strings vibrate. The guitar, the strings vibrate. And then here, these strings vibrate. And that's what helps us hear the sound. So that's science for today.